Page 26, Joy to the World. For fourth time, no sharps or flats, or C major is fine. Talk about it one hand at a time. In the right hand, we're starting here. Now, if you know the C major scale, and hopefully you are doing the C major scale, one octave up and down, it's important. The first part of this should be easy because that's all it is. It's a C major scale. Just look at the note. Forget the rhythm. Look at the notes. Fingering and everything. It's just a C major scale going down. So if you know the scales, you find these things in the pieces and you just play them. They're so much easier if you can do the scale. Then we just add the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Then lift up, new phrase, and move. And you get that, and then at the end of the page there, on the last measure is here. It's a new phrase, lift up. You have to lift up anyway, it's the same note, but lift up a little more. I mean, you want more silence between them when it's a phrase than other. It's almost like there's an eighth rest in there. Here. And then page 27, look out. We're going from the first measure to the second. On the G's, 2, 3. And then lift up and go back up. And then do that again, 2, 3. And now a 3. It's a phrase, you just lift up. 2, lift up. 1, lift up again, new phrase. Now here you reach up to the octave. You want to connect them. Then claps. Again, this gets back to the C major scale fingering. It's just different. 1 and 2 and 3. That's the right hand. It's a little tricky. Just take it slow and easy. First, I mean, if you're struggling with it, I suggest you forget the rhythm and just get the notes and the fingering. Just concentrate on each note and make sure you have the right fingering and all that you need for everything that you're, whatever. And once you're a little comfortable with that, then put in the rhythm and see real slowly and see if you can get the rhythm too. Now let's talk left hand. The left hand, you're starting out with a C chord here. And another one, and then a quarter rest, play the rest. And then another rest. And the left hand doesn't move, it's just in this spot. Let's go over to page 27, then the second line. Starting out here, and then a rest, and then we don't have the E, now it's just those. And then a rest, and now we have 2 quarter notes, staccato. Wrist staccato. Not heavy, just short, just boom. You're pushing down and bouncing off. Boom. And then the next line is an F and a G, and then again 2 staccatos. And then we're back to it. So then try putting the hands together once you can do them separately. It's 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here in the last measure, the second line here, you're holding that down and doing that, and then lift up to a new phrase. Lift up. Lift. You have a lot of quarter rests in the left hand. We want to hear every rest in there. It's important. And you start slow, and you gradually speed it up because this is a happy, faster piece. So it's going to move eventually, but you got to start slow and gradually speed it up. And when I say fast, I'm talking your fast and not my fast. Everybody has their own speeds. You'll have to decide ultimately what's fast for you. Don't play it super fast. No, how fast would you sing it if you're going to sing it? So you go ahead and learn it, at least some, and then come back and do the play with me. We'll check the notes and the rhythms. And we're going to go real slow on the notes and the rhythm, not trying to perform it. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands in where they go, here, to start. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.